Hello students! My name is Teacher Julia and today is our next phonics lesson. Let's talk about new sound R. I-R. Our word for this sound is bird. Let's try to spell B-R-D. Bird. Try to repeat after me. B-R-D. Well done. Let's repeat all together. Bird. Good job. One more time. Bird. Very well. It was our lesson about bird. Now let's enjoy a video about bird.
It's time to leave the nest for the big blue open sky. It's time to leave the nest. We'll show you how to fly. Take a tiny hop and then a little jump. Stay steady on your feet. Try a bigger leap. Take a tiny hop and then a little jump. Stay steady on your feet. Try a bigger leap. Just flap your wings together and get ready to take off. Just flap your wings together and we'll meet you at the top. Just flap your wings together and get ready to take off. Just flap your wings together and we'll meet you at the top. A hop, a jump, a leap. A hop, a jump, a leap. A hop, a jump, a leap. That's it! A hop, a jump, a leap. All together. A hop, a jump, a leap. You're flying! Just flap your wings together if you want to learn to fly. Just flap your wings together, you'll be soaring in the sky. Just flap your wings together, it's as easy as can be. Just flap your wings together, you'll be flying oh so free. See, it's easy.
Hey guys, are you ready to learn a few things about animals?
Animals, animals.
Hey, don't repeat what I say.
Say.
Oh, always the same. Well guys, today we are going to talk about another group of vertebrate animals, birds.
Birds.
Birds are oviparous animals, which means they are born from eggs. They walk with 2 legs, and they have 2 wings that allow them to fly. Although there are some birds like the ostrich and penguin that don't fly, even though they have wings. The bird's skeleton is light because their bones are hollow. Birds can breathe thanks to their lungs. And they are warm-blooded. They eat with their beak that has no teeth. Ugh. Their body is covered in feathers. Did you know that the heaviest bird in the world is the ostrich? No wonder it can't fly. Poor thing. A bird that can fly is the eagle. Incredible!
Incredible.
You again? Watch what happens if I catch you.
Repeat after me, please. Bird. B. D. Bird. One more time. Bird. D. Bird. Okay, students, now it's your turn to show me how can you spell bird. Please record videos and send it to me. It was our lesson about bird. Please stay home, stay safe. Don't forget to wash your hands, wear a mask, and don't go to public places. It was Teacher Julia. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.